Welcome to this tutorial on string in Kotlin. In this video, you'll learn about text handling fundamentals in Kotlin, including the string type, string literals, and basic string operations. A string is a sequence of characters used to represent text in Kotlin. Think of it as a way to store and manipulate any kind of textual data, whether it's a single word, a sentence, or even an entire paragraph. To declare a string in Kotlin, you use the val keyword followed by the variable name, a colon, the type string, an equals sign, and the text enclosed in double quotes. For example, val message colon string equals double quote hello, Kotlin exclamation mark double quote. Kotlin supports two types of string literals. First is the regular string, enclosed in double quotes, which is used for single-line text. Second is the raw string, enclosed in triple double quotes, which preserves line breaks and formatting, making it perfect for multi-line text. String templates allow you to embed variables and expressions directly inside strings. You can insert a simple variable using the $sign followed by the variable name, or use $sign with curly braces for expressions. For example, if name is Alice and age is 25, you can create a message like hello, $sign name exclamation mark you are $sign curly brace age curly brace years old. String concatenation is the process of joining multiple strings together. In Kotlin, you use the plus operator to combine strings. For instance, if you have first name as John and last name as Doe, you can create full name by adding first name plus a space plus last name, which results in John Doe. Kotlin provides useful properties to work with strings. The length property returns the number of characters in a string. The isEmpty function checks if the string has no characters, returning true or false. The isBlank function checks if the string is empty or contains only whitespace characters. Kotlin offers many built-in functions for string manipulation. The uppercase function converts all characters to uppercase. The lowercase function converts all characters to lowercase. The substring function extracts a portion of the string based on start and end indices. The replace function substitutes one substring with another throughout the string.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.